Hello everyone, I am SM Rahman from Bangladesh Red Crescent Society. The project we are working on is how to stop early child marriage in my country. If we look deeply in this matter, there are many reasons behind every early child marriages. Poverty and lack of knowledge is one of the most common reasons in every scenario. Most of them were married off before their age of 15. The rate of early child marriage has been risen a lot due to COVID-19 pandemic, and we are trying to make them aware about the side effects and consequences of early child marriages among youths. We are putting together a team in local community, including their parents, their respected teachers, public administration, and we are also promoting a hotline number dedicated to combat violence against women and children by Bangladesh government. There are many other organizations like Human Rights Watch, Plan International, and UNICEF are also working in this topic. As Red Cross and Red Crescent movement is a part of co-curriculum activities of all schools and colleges of Bangladesh, it is easy for us to get access in every school and colleges, and we are taking advantage of this opportunity. Receiving feedback from phase 2 and guidance from our mentors, we have selected 6 upajalas which were more vulnerable than others. If we make a team in every locality, including their teachers and local authority, we will be able to teach them how to improve their skills, how to make a earning for their families, and this malpractice is avoidable. If we look up the ice ball method, they will be able to aware others like them. We can easily communicate with every team members through their team leaders. If situation goes out of their hand, we will be able to assist with the support of local administrations also. We are already receiving positive feedbacks from our prototype. If we continue our activities, then our project will be successful. I am thankful to IFRC Solve Academy for creating this platform for us, so that we will be able to solve our problems like this in our community level. To complete this project, my national society has helped me a lot. I would like to also thank Jatiyo Mohila Adhidaptor, local administrations who has supported and appreciated my innovative idea. I am thankful to National Youth Commission of BDRCS and my beloved volunteers who are helping me in this project. Currently, we are working in 6 upajala and some limited members of school in my districts. In the next phase, we will be able to include all 13 upajalas of my district and some vulnerable communities also. There is a great opportunity to work with Planning and Development Department of Bangladesh Red Crescent Society, as they have planned to train volunteers of this upajala and work with PGI team of Bangladesh Red Crescent Society. By doing so, our project will be sustainable. Since last few years, BDRCS have been committed to focusing on some agendas as cross-cutting aspects like PGI, safer access, and child protections are few of them. BDRCS realizes that those cross-cutting issues need to be mainstreamed inside their strategic umbrella as their importance evolved. Therefore, this strategic plan of BDRCS has mainstreamed those cross-cutting challenges by incorporating them into concrete outcomes that can be quantified. To continue this project, our main challenges was limited funding and time. As I have completed my honors graduation, I have enough time to work with my team members. My Red Crescent unit and local administrations is also supporting our project. It would be easier to connect with students, community, and vulnerable groups if we work together with volunteers, PGI team, local administrations, community leaders, suggestions from BDRCS and our mentors, and receive guidance from Solve Academy. Then a big change will be visible throughout these community levels, and the rate of early child marriage will be decreased. Thank you.